Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand dishwasher and you need to just do a hard reset on it for some reason. Maybe it's acting funny or maybe it's giving you some error code that you can't get rid of or something like that. The first thing you want to do before you do a reset on an LG is it needs to be, or really any dishwasher frankly, is it needs to be turned off. So you want to make sure it's turned off. Press the power button to turn it off because you don't want to reset it while it's turned on. And there's no reset button. There can be, sometimes depending on the model, there can be a reset button that will reset the cycle, but a true reset on an LG is going to need to be done by cutting power to it. So once it's off, you can either unplug it from the wall or you can go to the circuit and unplug it from, and turn it off at the circuit breaker and leave it unplugged or leave it turned off for at least a minute. And then you can reconnect power. Turn it back on, and when it turns back on, you'll see it'll go through kind of like a startup cycle that it doesn't usually go through on the screen. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.